ZANU-PF member and former ZANU-PF MP for Chivi South constituency, Kila Zivu, questioned the 950,000 bridge which was built by the Emerson Mnangagwa regime and was commissioned a few days ago. He said, USD 950,000 bridge, varume, ibaiwo muchitinyara, mavakuti jairira manje. So I think this is humiliating and embarrassing to hear kuti there is a bridge which cost 950,000, and when you look at the pictures of the bridge, then you are left with more answers than questions. You are left with more questions than answers. So this is the biggest problem which we have right now in the nation of Zimbabwe, where looting and corruption is at the top, and it seems as if within ZANU-PF, no one is going to loot lesser than the other. It's a competition of looting. Munhu paatongosvika ipapo vane tsumo yavo yekuti mbudzi inodya payakasungirirwa, saka pauri ipapo idya ipapo. They give each other tenders, they do short day jobs, whatsoever. So sometimes we need to take seriously these things. When you see ZANU-PF people themselves vachitoshamisikawo, vanenge vachitonyatsoona kuti bhegi radyiwa, mari yabiwa, mari yaenda. And we have asked why Zimbabwe is the only country with the most expensive projects happening. Project iri kuda 100,000 or 200,000, unowana yakatora million. Project iri kuda just less, unowana yakadya mari. For example, the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission fraud and looting which happened, around 400,000 rands was meant for the elections, and the rest was looted. That is Zimbabwe for you. So when you see such things happening, then you ask a question to say, for how long are we going to have this kind of culture? Imagine kuti tikasvika 2030 nyika ichikokotwa zvairi kuitwa izvi, nyika ichibirwa, what will be left out in Zimbabwe? Nothing. So this is the reason why we will say, no matter the circumstances, we will not focus our energy and efforts on anything else. We will focus on corruption. We will speak about corruption. We will speak against corruption, and we will condemn corruption at all costs, because corruption is the biggest cancer. Ndo chinhu chiri kutikanganisira muno munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Up until we deal with corruption, then we are still joking. So this is something very important. I agree with Honorable Kila Zivu, varume vaakutijairira, and it's high time we rise as a nation, we confront them head on, and we stop the madness.